Thank you very much for this opportunity to present AstraZeneca's sourcing and externalization activities for a wider audience. My name is Mikael Vestling, and I'm representing the business development function within our company. I am based up in Södertälje and work specifically with opportunities within the neuroscience area, CNS and pain. I'm also taking the opportunity today to bang my own drum, since I'm one of the 1,200 people within R&D and the enabling functions in Södertälje who are leaving their work within a couple of months. So I'm going to paraphrase a great Swedish diva, Carola Häggkvist, and say, I'm available. I may not have the t-shirt, but I'm certainly available. Moving swiftly on. So my presentation today is going to be about the core strategy performance of AstraZeneca, the importance of partnering, and why you should partner with us. AstraZeneca is a global biopharmaceutical company, and through MedImmune we have a strong biological business complementing our small molecule expertise at AstraZeneca. We are focused exclusively on discovering, developing, and commercializing innovative medicines that improve patients' lives and deliver value for our stakeholders. And through not diversifying our business model, we are able to focus our resources and core strength on innovative medicines for human health. We bring a broad range of skills and resources to our partnerships, including leading R&D and commercial capabilities and a global reach combined with experience and knowledge. We have a strong heritage of commercial success. Many of our products are category leaders across the globe. We ranked number 1 for commercializing new products in terms of aggregate sales since 2001. We have a proven ability to win in busy primary and secondary care markets across the globe, whatever the channel and whatever the therapeutic area. As well as building on our leading positions in the US and other established markets, we continue to increase our strength through strategic investment in emerging markets. We focus on 6 therapeutic areas listed here along with some of our major brands. We are known amongst our peers for our strong skills in primary care, a result of our achievements in areas such as cardiovascular and respiratory. Good examples being the lipid-lowering statin Crestor, the blood pressure-lowering angiotensin II antagonist Atacand, Seloken, which we still believe is some kind of channel blocker. Among the newer kids on the block will be Brilinta for acute coronary syndrome, a P2Y12 antagonist, and Onglyza for diabetes type 2, a DPP4 inhibitor, and obviously Nexium, esomeprazole, a proton pump inhibitor for peptic ulcers. Collaboration is at the heart of the way we work. Approximately 40% of our pipeline is now sourced from external partnership and an even greater percentage in the late-stage pipeline. This slide will illustrate the areas that we are currently looking to partner in, although it is by no means exclusive. We are looking for quality partnerships across the development pipeline, including in-licensing, out-licensing, acquisitions, and also regional opportunities for marketed products. We are seeking high-quality early and late-stage opportunities, and in 2010, our core investment in R&D was $4.2 billion, including more than $1 billion in biologics. We have scientists that are focused on your area of research. They speak your language and they are empowered to champion your products internally. Our personalized healthcare and biomarkers strategy is embedded within the R&D activity at AstraZeneca. Over 60% of our pipeline currently has a biomarker strategy, and we are also looking for partners to help to develop diagnostics for biomarkers. New opportunities. We also have a new opportunities team which looks for opportunities which is today outside of our core areas of focus. Yes, the 5 R's, the evaluation criteria, the 5 dimensions of right. The right target, the right tissue, right exposure, right safety, right patients, and right commercial. This is very similar to the previous presenter. These are the criteria by which we are evaluating our internal programs and also external programs. The 5 dimensions equals front-loading risk assessment in R&D. Clearly, we will also conduct a simultaneous financial assessment, but we understand the importance of focusing on the science and on the opportunity. So we recently reevaluated a large proportion of our pipeline based on these criteria, and this impacts now on the way we conduct both preclinical and clinical programs. And we also use this process to evaluate external opportunities and provide feedback to our partners, whether or not the deal goes ahead. We are agnostic to the source of the opportunity and will seek those who are most competitive. And using our R&D scouts, we will champion your products internally with the same vigor as our internal projects. We have recently transformed our R&D structure by assembling disease-specific scouting and evaluation teams to provide greater focus and efficiency in evaluating opportunities and faster decision-making. We have 6 innovative medicines units, IMEDs. Strategy heads have been given responsibility for scouting innovation from both inside and outside of AstraZeneca. We have a fully integrated business development function within each of the disease areas so that each IMED has an expert team who are able to provide transactional support and facilitate the deal process with the partners. The business development team at AstraZeneca is known as Strategic Partnering and Business Development, SPBD, and is comprised of about 130 people. And this slide shows you the leadership team responsible for each of our IMED areas of focus. And this is the team from MedImmune, our biologics division. More importantly, though, this slide shows our more recently appointed R&D strategy heads who are focused on driving the search for products which fit with our R&D strategy. These individuals are focused on doing the initial scientific evaluation and scouting pre-phase 3 opportunities. By closely involving our R&D organization into the process, our goal is to provide more rapid and more consistent feedback to potential partners. The operating model. This is a true partnership between the IMED's R&D and the business development. And this slide aims to illustrate the accountabilities of each of the functions. The intended benefits of this model is that it is a transparent and open process, and it works across all deal types and development stages. We work in teams and we are hunting in pairs, and this is to leverage the strength of R&D and also business development. There is clear accountability and contacts at each stage. This enables strong scientist and business development relationship with the peers. We have a consistent alliance management approach. and we will provide rapid and insightful feedback to partners, both scientific and commercial. We also recognize the importance of outstanding alliance management and the positive impact this will have on our partnerships. So we have created an Alliance Management Center of Excellence that is responsible for the proactive management of our partnerships and the sharing of best practice. We are dedicated to realizing the maximum value of the collaboration on behalf of our partner, and our goal is to ensure that through the combination of our unique strengths, we are successful in our partnership. Your success is our success. And we believe in early involvement of alliance management and continuity throughout the deal and also beyond. So why on earth should you partner with us? Well, we are experienced in all areas of deal making. This is a very busy slide, but I'd like to highlight, for instance, recent deals with Astellas, which is an option agreement, and Chi-Med, the first co-development deal by a major pharma in China. We have been able to successfully maximize value for our shareholders and to create value for our partners through the spin-out of proprietary assets. And this is where Albireo is a very good example. We are the fastest growing of the top 10 pharmaceutical companies in BRIC-MT, Brazil, Russia, India, China, Mexico, and Turkey. Our goal is to maintain double-digit growth, and with emerging markets targeting to become 25% of AstraZeneca sales by 2014. Nearly half of our sales and marketing workforce is now based in emerging markets, compared with only 16% in 2002. AstraZeneca has the second largest share of the prescription medicines market in China. This quarter, we announced a 200 million investment in a new manufacturing facility located in China Medical City. Last month, we announced the acquisition of Guangdong Beikang Pharmaceutical, a privately owned generics manufacturing company, and a commercialization and co-development deal for a novel cancer innovation with Hutchinson MediPharma. The company's broad market strategy aims to increase the accessibility and affordability of medicines for wider patient populations that are currently underserved. Our marketing excellence is fueled by our innovative, industry-leading sales model coupled with customer-focused insight. Our marketing excellence is driven by our deep understanding of customers throughout the brand life cycle and our sales force effectiveness. And a good example being the partnership with Bristol Myers Squibb. We drive innovation in sales marketing by reinventing the content and the channels of our interactions to better serve the needs of our customers. To ensure that we win, we need to innovate our thinking, transform our model, and get closer to the customers. We are changing the way we do business. I'll skip this one. So to summarize, AstraZeneca has a clear, focused strategy that we believe will deliver value to partners, to patients, and to the public shareholders. We have a long-term commitment to innovation. We have an integrated R&D approach for rapid evaluation and feedback to partners. We have a proven world-class commercial function with truly global reach. We have established Alliance Management Center of Excellence, who is responsible for actively monitoring the progress of our partnerships and the sharing of best practice. Our ultimate goal is to ensure that we are successful in bringing products to the market through the combination of our unique strengths. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Vestling. Thank you very much. Thank you. I wonder about one thing. All the figures you mentioned are quite huge.
Do you think so?
AstraZeneca is quite huge. And now you're talking to small, tiny companies.
Yes.
How will they dare to join or partnering such a giant?
I think they will dare, because in the end, and when they meet us, we will begin by speaking. We will speak the same language. We will make sure they talk to our R&D representative as well as business development. But we are all kind people.
Good. That's a good answer. Thank you very much, and good luck looking for your work now.
Thank you.
It's a present.
Thanks.
Thank you.